everybody, my name is Chris West, the inventor and the founder of Solution Finish. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply Solution Finish to get the results just like the pros. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Solution Finish. Solution Finish is a family-owned company. We make and bottle our own product in the US, right here in my hometown of Huntington Beach, California. In a few short years, Solution Finish has become the #1 trim restorer in the industry. It's the go-to product for nearly all of the top detailing pros worldwide, and we just won the 2017 International Detailer Supplier of the Year. Solution Finish is formulated specifically for sun-damaged and oxidized rubber, vinyl, and plastic. It's the only trim restorer on the market. Everything else is just a dressing that sits on your trim, ready to wash away, fades in no time. Solution Finish does 3 very important things that nothing else can match. 1, Solution Finish is solvent-based and actually dissolves the oxidation while it's being applied. 2, with modified and penetrating oils, it draws the colorant back deep into the pores of your trim. 3, it has antioxidants and light stabilizers that gives it UV protection. It's like sunscreen for your plastic. Solution Finish is silicone-free, it's non-flammable, and of course, it's VOC compliant. It is by far the easiest to use because there's no masking required. It's a simple wipe on, wipe off application. Solution Finish is guaranteed to restore and protect your trim for months, not for weeks or days like the other products on the market. Since Solution Finish hit the market, it's been a game changer for professionals, detailers, car enthusiasts, and do-it-yourselfers. Now I'd like to show you how to easily prep all of your trim and plastic to accept Solution Finish. It's not necessary to use any fancy degreasers or cleaners. You just want to use everyday rubbing alcohol. Now I personally prefer 70 to 90%, but 50-50 works just fine. You simply rub down all the trim with a clean towel, giving it a good alcohol bath to flush out the pores and break down any previously applied dressings. And that's a simple way to prep your plastic. Now I'm going to show you how to apply Solution Finish just like the pros in 4 basic steps. 1, you want to wipe the surface to be treated thoroughly with rubbing alcohol. Give it a good alcohol bath. 2, you want to vigorously shake the bottle. It's a very important step. 3, apply a small amount of Solution Finish to a microfiber applicator. Thoroughly apply it to your plastic. Solution Finish, when it's being applied, it's like water on a paper towel. It does its job instantly. It absorbs deep into the pores of the plastic. You want to thoroughly get all the little crevices, get all the little areas. You can use a foam brush for the hard to reach areas. And when you're agitating it, it's actually taking off the oxidation. So that's why I say use a microfiber applicator. And then 4, you want to take a microfiber towel and buff off all of the excess surface oils. Do those 4 steps and you'll be doing it just like the pros. I recommend waiting at least 4 hours before you get it wet. It won't wash off, but what it does is it keeps you from getting water spots. Okay, and now for best practice and some pro tips. You really want to wear rubber gloves when you're applying Solution Finish. When you apply Solution Finish, spread in a thin coat over the area in even motion, covering it completely. There's no masking required for Solution Finish, but be sure to remove any solution from the painted surfaces. If you'd like more information, check out our website at solutionfinish.com. Thank you.